The forest has claimed many secrets. I won't let it claim this one. The sun is setting. We need to find shelter quickly. I see a crevice, let's head for it. I have to clear this before nightfall. Quickly, now. More room. Come on.
Come on.
Just need one. Yes, there we go. Ah, that's better. Keep back. I see you out there. Another day. Ready? There's no wood. How will we keep warm? Hold fast.
Secure it!
It's shut.
Finally!
Barely. I have to keep going. I can't stop here. I can't see anything.
Where are you?
We have to get out of here.
Over here!
I'm lost. Oh, God.
Help! Anyone! Please!
I'm alone.
Help me! Help me!
The roots remember the way. Trust the whispers of the ancient ones. Help, please. Is anyone there?
Snap! 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 Crack!
I need more. Quick. I found them. These are the stones we need. I remember this place. The nights were always the best.
Tell me again, Grandpa.
Come on. Come on. Just a little spark. Just a little spark. I must find shelter.
Keep moving!
Don't give up. Help! Oh God. I can't breathe. Get me out of here. Please. Help! There. Just like the map said. I think.
Whoa. What is that?
I have to keep going. Just a little further.
Don't stop!
Almost there. In the warmth of the fire, we find our light. Memories burn bright.
What was that? It shook everything!
Stay down, more is coming. H, 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 H. I must keep going. Just a little longer. Oh God, it's so cold. Keep rubbing. It's working. Thank you. No. No, not yet. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. I will find it. I must. I've got to get through this. It's the only way. I can feel it in my bones. It's here. It's barely enough. We'll have to stretch it until morning. Keep it together. Just a little further. I won't let them take it. Not again. I remember this place. It was summer. Where am I? Oh, I must have fallen asleep by the fire. The night's deep. Need to keep going. I will not yield, though winter chills my bones. I will not be moved. The storm may rage, but I will not be moved.
Who is it?
Open the door.
I know you're not alone.
No one else is here. Ah, that's better. I needed that. The storm approaches. I must be ready. Almost there. Just a little further.
Oh,
Inside now. I never thought it would come to this. This fur coat represents more than warmth. It represents the spirit of the reindeer and the strength of our people. Ah. 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 The ghostly light paints the sky. Hold fast. Must stay safe.
The wind is too strong.
Just a little more. I must get out.
It's too cold to stay here. Need to find help.
Just a little further. Almost there. Just a little more. I'm so cold.
It'll be over soon.
I can't feel my hands. Keep it quiet. There's movement outside. I must keep going. No time. Almost there. Found it. It'll keep us warm tonight. The land provides for those who cherish it. Remember the old ways. Keep the moss dry. Pack it tight around the boots. Feel the warmth now. The time has come.
The spirits heed your call.
May their journey guide us. It's colder than I thought.
We must be close.
Shh! Did you hear that? The first light. It's a new beginning. Yes. Finally. The living map. It's written in the lines of time, the stories of the earth. The storm is breaking through. Quick, the cloth. I'm trying. Hold the light steady. The bark. It's the last we have. Be careful. The metal is ancient, crafted long ago. Keep it hidden.